Sometimes the relatives of the patients think that radiation is very risky and they do not want it to be done to their patients, and they avoid getting radiation done. And today we will talk about it. Is radiation really risky, or is it a fruitful treatment to your patient? Many a times it happens that people resort to alternative medications fearing radiation, thinking that maybe if we take patient for radiation, he might die by the side effects or the problems which radiation will induce, and ultimately the disease progresses, and by the time they come to us, radiation actually does not hold any benefit then. So it is important to understand whether there is a risk of radiation or not. Radiation can cause some side effects, and in our language we call them accompaniments of radiation. That means there are some changes which happen during radiation, but they tend to go off with time. And then we have a lot of medications which can suppress these side effects. For example, people have burning in throat when radiation is happening to the head and neck area. So we have medicines, mouthwashes which can suppress these side effects. So many a times patients think that, okay, I will not do my further radiation because I have stopped to eat, my food quality has gone down. But there are many means by which we can maintain nourishments. There are food supplements, there are alternative feeding techniques like PEG tube or a feeding tube which can assist the patient to maintain a nutrition during treatment. But many times people just think that this may not be the ultimate solution, so they discontinue their treatment. But discontinuation of treatment is more dangerous. If we do radiation uninterrupted, it gives a better result when it is compared to someone who gets treatment done with lot of breaks. So the risks are not that much that they may cause death, but we have to identify the right patient and the case selection has to be adequate. So that judgment is done by a doctor. If there is a patient whose general condition is poor, patient is having a poor performance status, by that I mean that patient is unable to take care of herself or himself, is in the bed all the time, cannot feed oneself, then that may be one patient where radiation may be risky. But then the doctor himself or herself will tell you that she cannot undergo this treatment. So that decision should not be done by attendants by themselves. They should make the patient be seen by a doctor, and a combined discussion should be done so as to understand the risk versus benefit, because in majority of cases the benefit of treatment is much more than the small amount of risks which treatment can induce. And we have to define, doctor will always give you some percentages of chances of cure. For example, if I talk of head and neck cancer, doctor will tell you that okay, patient is stage 3, the chances of cure are 60%, stage 4, maybe chances of cure are 25 to 40%. So it is always told to you that what would be the benefit and what would be the risk. So do not be a judge yourself, do not deny your patient of a good treatment or a good life just because of a fear of radiation.